Have you ever realized that vitamin-rich foods are some of the most delicious foods in the world? But even if you're eating healthy, you may not be getting the vitamins you need. As you know, a healthy body is a happy body, and the best way to ensure your body runs at peak performance is to have the right nutrients. In the process of our lifestyle, we sometimes forget to include the foods that we need to stay healthy and vibrant. That's why we created this video, to tell you the best foods to replace those vitamins you may be missing in your diet. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Comment that you subscribe and I will personally reply to your comments. So let's get started. Vitamin A. A staple in the diet that is key to immune function, eye health, and skin health. You can get vitamin A from animal sources, but including these other sources make sure that you get the right amount of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes. This high content of vitamin A is great for immune function. Lentils. These are one of the best ways to get this vitamins into your diet. Beans. These are a great way to get extra vitamins, iron, and protein. Eggs. This little egg turns into a wonderful source of vitamin A. Vitamin B. This is also a staple in our diet that is beneficial for the improvement of immune function and maintaining a healthy nervous system. You can get the main vitamins in this group from cheese, milk, and beef. Pineapple. This is one of the best ways to get this vitamin into your diet. Bananas. This is another great way to get this vitamin into your diet. Potatoes. This is another great way to increase the amount of vitamin B into your diet. Vitamin C. This vitamin is great for immune function and the reduction of inflammation. Eating a lot of orange juice will not be enough to get you all the vitamin C that you need. Kale. This is the best way to get the amount of vitamin C that you need. Broccoli. This is another way to get a lot of vitamin C into the diet. Bananas. Bananas are one of the best ways to get vitamin C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps with bone and teeth health, and the reduction of inflammation. Most people are deficient in this vitamin. You can get this vitamin from fatty fish, such as tuna and salmon. Chocolate. Yes, the one you are already eating. This is one of the best ways to increase the amount of vitamin D into your diet. Coffee. This is another great way to get a lot of vitamin D into the diet. Vitamin B12. This is a staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in vitamin B12 include avocado, cheese, and beef. Vitamin K. This is a staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in vitamin K include kale, avocado, and dark leafy greens. Vitamin E. This is a staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in vitamin E include cheese, milk, and beef. Vitamin B6. This is another staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in vitamin B6 include cheese, milk, and beef. Green leafy vegetables. These are one of the best ways to get fiber into the diet. Magnesium. This is a staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in magnesium include spinach, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and cocoa. Zinc. This is another staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in zinc include spinach, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and cocoa. Folic acid. This is a staple that is needed for the proper function of the cells. It's also beneficial for bone health, and can even help reduce stress. Foods that are high in folate include wheat germ, broccoli, and avocado. Iron. Iron is an essential mineral that helps keep your blood, bones, and teeth healthy. It's also important for proper immune function. Foods that are high in iron include spinach, beets, and beans. So there you have it, the best foods to replace your vitamins and supplements. Make sure to include some of these foods in your diet to keep your body healthy and running at full speed. Comment below if you have any questions or something to share. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel so you get more tips and updates from us. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. See you in our next video.